Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make 꼬막비빔밥, which is mixed rice with cockle. Let's get started. Spring's sprung, so I wanna make healthy dish with a lot of vegetable. To get started, we need 300 grams of cockles. Open the can and drain all the juices and put it into the bowl and throw the juice out. I'm using canned cockles so recipe can be easier, but if you can use fresh cockle, it'll be way better. Put to the side. Fill the pot with hot water and put your stove on medium high. Add some kosher salt. Once it's boiling, add your cockles. Since it's pre-cooked, this part is unnecessary, but cooking it one more time will give better texture, so make sure to do it. Add soju to remove the odor of the smell. After boiling for like 30 seconds, we're gonna take it out. Drain all the water and put to the side. Now we're gonna prepare our veggies. First, you need leek, about 10 centimeter wide thick. Cut it half and another half and put it together and slice thinly and put to the side. Next, we need handful of green onion. Just slice thinly and put to the side. Next, we need chives. Get handful of chives and cut it 4 centimeter wide thick slices and put to the side. Next, we need 3 hot pepper. I'm using 2 different colors so it can be prettier. So cut the edges and slice half and slice thinly. If you don't like spicy food, you can skip this part. But adding hot pepper will give really good flavor. Put to the side. And get a lemon, slice it half. And we need a quarter of it, so slice another half and put to the side. We're gonna use it later. Since this cockle is big, I'm gonna slice it half and put to the side. Now we're gonna make our sauce. We need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, 2 tablespoons of red pepper flake. I'm gonna add a little more than 2 tablespoons because I like my food extra spicy. 3 cloves of minced garlic. A little bit of lemon juice. And mix well. Ooh, spicy and delicious. I like it. And put to the side. Get a big bowl and put cockles and all the vegetables that we prepared earlier. So add peppers, green onion, leek, and chives. And add the sauce that we prepared. And mix it well. While we're mixing, let's start the fact, Kwon's Corner fact. 꼬막 means cockle and bibimbap means mixed rice. So 꼬막비빔밥 means mixed rice with cockle. When people abroad hear the word bibimbap, they usually think mixed rice with vegetables. But there are many different kinds of mixed rice. You can put any vegetable and any meat and still consider it as a bibimbap. So be creative. Bibimbap was invented long ago and there are a few stories how it got invented. But the most convincing to me is that Koreans put leftover side dish into a bowl of rice to not waste any of the food. This is how bibimbap was invented. If you like to learn how to make authentic bibimbap, you can click here. After you mix it well, have a taste. It's so fresh. I like it so much. And put to the side. Get a plate and a bowl of rice. And get some chives on top. And put your cockles on top. Eating time! Okay, let's eat. But before we eat, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to make it more toasty flavor. Let's mix it. Okay, I mixed it well, so let's eat. So delicious! Oh my gosh, it's really delicious. Ooh, it's hot. I just had a hot pepper and it's really hot and it's really delicious. Ooh. Okay. Since I add a lot of vegetable, it's so fresh and I really love the green onion fragrance. It gives really unique flavor. Hot pepper is really hot, but it neutralizes the greasiness of the toasted sesame oil and it's really good. Since I cook cockle in a soju, it's not fishy at all. It tastes so good, so you should definitely try. So hopefully you can try. Send me a picture if you try. So see you next week. 안녕! It's so good. I like it. If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!